Oh, maybe it's working now. Okay, cool. I think the volume is working now. So, let's see if we can pass this challenge here. Bit of reverse. I need to get this, but I'm already down 600. I need this to get back up. I need a big jump in order for me to put this I want to put this stop loss at for zero risk. I don't want to lose any more. We're trying to pass this challenge in 2 days. Yesterday was a good day, and I was 1,500 up yesterday, and you need $3,000 in 2 days to be able to pass the challenge. It's a 50k challenge. Yeah, so we'll see how it goes, right? Come on, baby, let's go up. Let's kick this up a notch or two. This would be nice if we could get a decent trade here and get that losing trade that I had earlier. I'm going to try and win back that 600 I lost. So come on, baby, let's get this big kick up here. I need a buy on this. It rejected twice, so I'm hoping this rejection is strong enough to be able to push it up to the upside. Come on, we need some more power, guys. Bulls, let's step in. Let's step in. We're only 260 up. I need this to get up to here so I can bring this stop loss to 0. Then we have a just decent trade. I want this to go all the way up. If it can go up to here, then we'll be halfway through the challenge. So yesterday was a good day. The performance stats yesterday was a winning day of $1,509. Today we're down. So I need this to be 1,500 again, and we pass the challenge. And that's what I'm aiming for. So I need a good trade here, please. I need this to continue to go up to the upside. I don't want any more rejections down, so come on, let's push this up. Come on, baby. You can do it for me. Who's in the chat? Come and say hi. Come and say hi. Come on, now we're 425 up. Let's keep pushing this up, guys. Let's keep pushing this up. I'm tempted to bring this up so I don't lose on this trade. I'll bring it up to... So the 200 is my stop loss right now. So come on, baby, let's push this up. Now if this can get to the top, and happy days, right? I will put I'm probably going to put a limit of 2 on there, just to try and take something on my TP up there. So this is your top step challenge, the 50k combine challenge, and you have to, your target is to get $3,000, but you can only get 50% of your profit basically a day, so you can get 1,500 a day. So yesterday I had 1,500 in the green, and today I'm trying to get 1,500 again to then pass this challenge in 2 days, and then I'd be funded for a 50k challenge. So let's see if this can push this up here. We need some more power, please. Come on, man. This is what I want to see. I want to see more power. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this up to so now I am free on a trade, which is good, with 530 up. on this trade now. And I'm hoping it doesn't come down to hit my stop loss, but my stop loss is at 50 in the plus, so I can't lose this trade right now. I mean, I could potentially cash in right now and take the 500, and that will bring my loss down to only 100. I'm thinking about it, because I really don't want to get into the minus any more than I already am. We're 616 in. I'm really hoping this pushes up higher, at least to this TP1. If we can hit the TP1, happy days, then I would trail my stop loss. Because with a challenge, it's a little bit different to when you're trading for yourself, I guess. For me, it is anyway. I mean, generally, my risk to reward is a lot higher than I would normally do. But as I want to pass this challenge in 2 days, I kind of have to go for it, you know. So it's a bit risky. And when I do get funded, I wouldn't take these risks. I'd be probably doing maybe 2 contract size, 3 if it was a good trade, but I probably wouldn't do a 5 contract size. I mean, look, I'm 500 up now. If this continues to go up, the smart move would be to buy more, so then I can bring my stop loss also very tight as well. So if this continues to go up, I will buy more. Buy more contract. I'll buy another 5 contracts. It's risky trading when you're trying to pass a challenge in 2 days. You have to take massive risks. If you don't, it'll probably take you a week to pass. So come on, we need some more power, guys. Who's in the chat room? Come and say hi. I hate talking to myself. Come on, we're 500 up. Let's go, let's go. Let's push this up higher, please. Let's get above this here. It obviously rejected here a little bit before, but I want this to get above this to then put another 5 contracts on this trade and see if we can't get this to 1500 and pass this challenge in 2 days. And then once you pass the challenge, you basically got to get above $200 a day in order to have a green day. You've got to have 5 green days in order to get a payout. So it's a really good. I don't have any affiliation with TopStep. I just use them. I've used a few different prop firms, and I like the setup. And the payouts are good. I mean, the payouts were quick. When I got a payout on my other account, it was very quick. Okay, come on, baby. Now we're 600 up. So this is my loss right now. Exactly what I lost on the first trade. Let's push this up higher. Now, do we take a chance? Do I take a chance and do I go in for another 5 contracts? Or do I take my 600 and basically it's a gamble. Do I take it? Is this going to go? Does this have enough power to go? I'm not even sure it does. I'm not even sure if it has the power. There's not a lot of power in there. I'd like to see more power. See, it's fallen. There's some reversing coming. So I don't like this. It's not strong enough. It is not strong enough. And I want to see these red candles coming in because it shows me the sellers are in the market. But I'm hoping the buyers are strong enough to push this back up. Come on, guys, come and chat with me. Okay, that shows me the buyers are still in the market. Come on, baby, let's push this up. Let's push this up to the TP at least. At least to the TP, man. No, let's not go down. I want to bring my stop loss up a bit anyway. At least so if it does come down, I'll be able to secure some profits. So I'll bring the stop loss to 270. So it's a free trade for me, basically. And even if it does come down and bite me in the arse, I'm still going to win 270. So that'll bring me down to 380 down. But I'm hoping it doesn't. I'm hoping it pushes up. I'm hoping it pushes to the TP. Let's see what happens. Oh, Football Fan Central. Hey, what's up, buddy? How you doing? Yeah, I thought there'd be a few of us. Before, that's how I met everybody, was on the YouTube channel. And then Ellis decided to make a channel. And so, his got quite popular. So I'm just with his now. I'm not really bothered about my channel too much. But good to see you in here. But yeah, we're trying to pass this top step challenge. Yeah, I'm okay, my man. But this trade isn't going the best. It looks like the sellers are coming in. And they're coming in quite hard. But I want these buyers to be pushing it back up, man. I want it to hit this TP. I don't want to come down and get 270. I'd rather hit the TP up here. So come on, baby. Anybody else in the room? Come and say hi. What's your verdict? Do you think this little bad boy is going to go up? Or do you think he's going to carry on going down? I mean, the sellers are coming back in. That's what's pissing me off a bit. Yeah, you should try a demo anyway. Go to Top Step. It costs you $50 for a 50k challenge. If you pass, then you pay the activation fee, which is £100, $129, I think. But your target is to get $3,000, but you can't do it in one day. Quickest you can do it is in 2 days. So as you can see, yesterday I did this challenge. Yesterday I had 1,500 on my first day. That's the max you can get, is 1,500. And I really hope I can get the 1,500 today, because then I pass the challenge. Come on, baby, let's push this up. Come on, bulls. Give me some big power here. Okay, that's really good. 1.2 thousand in profit. That's amazing. But yeah, well, demos so different, mate. Don't get stuck on doing demos. Do it for practice. But when you do the real thing, it's so different. Because a demo, you just don't really care. But when it's your own money or you're going for a challenge, you do care. Like right now, a lot of people would have taken that about there when it came to about 400. But it's about having patience and having confidence in your trade. Executing that trade with the intention that you're going to win this trade. So I'm staying in this trade for now. I'm 700 up. So I'm really hoping this continues to the upside. At least hits this here. Ellis, my man, how you doing? So as you can see, we're trying to do this top step challenge. I'm down 600 already. That was on my... I think I did 2 trades and lost them. So it wasn't a great start this morning. But yesterday was great. Yesterday I got the max you can get, which was 1,500. So we're aiming for 1,500 today to then pass this combine, to then get the funded. This is just the challenge right now. Psychology is the hardest part of trading. Trading's the easy part, man. It's losing. I was losing last week. I took a break for a week. I lost 86,000, and I took a break. Yeah, at least you should. You should. Yeah, I took a break and just come back yesterday. Came back strong. Came back strong, which was a good thing. So I'm going to bring the stop loss up a bit more. I'd like to still secure some profits because we are down on this trade. So if this comes down to here, at least I win $415. I could take this now at 750, and that would bring me into the plus for today. Hey, but we're in this trade, right? We've got to stay in this trade. What do you think, Alice? Do you think we can hit this TP? Let me know your thoughts. You're quite good at analytics. Analyzing, I mean. So, you think we should stick in there, see if we can hit this TP? Or you think I should cash my little potatoes in now at 700? What's your thoughts, guys? Let me know. Remember, we're trying to pass this challenge. Come on, baby. Let's see some power in the balls. Let me see this go up to this TP1. And if it hits the TP1s and carries on, we've got a bit of fair value gap here. I'm hoping it will go all the way. But we need some more powers in the balls. If this continues to keep rejecting when the sellers are coming in, the chances are it might go down and hit this stop loss, which I really don't want it to. I want it to continue to go up. Holding. You bought at 25. Yeah, these numbers are different. These numbers. This is what I don't get. The numbers on here are not accurate. Yeah, we're getting a bit of sell coming along right now, which I'm not really liking too much. So don't look at these numbers here, guys, because they're not correct. I don't know why they do that. I always use another chart on one of my other screens to see, because it's not accurate. That's the only downfall about Top Step, I think. And I don't know if I can change this so it's on real time. I mean, it's on real time, but the numbers are wrong. I don't get it. So come on, balls, let's push this past. Let's get past I just wanted to get past this TP. If it gets past this TP, it's definitely going on this fair value gap. The 1 hour looks good. Let's have a little look at the 1 hour. Oh, 1 hour looks amazing. 30 minutes. Okay. 15. Yeah. We're looking good. We're looking good, guys. We just need a bit more power. Come on, baby. Let's not go down. I mean, I don't want to put my stop loss here, but I don't particularly want it to come down. Maybe I'll give myself a tiny bit more room. A little bit. Still up, okay. Well, let's see how this trade pans out, yeah? I mean, the way I look at it, right, a lot of times if I say I'm in a trade, I'm in a trade. And I'm going to stick this trade out. Because if I cash in early, chances are the damn thing's going to fly. And that really pisses me off. I would rather it hit a stop loss that is still positive and give the trade a chance. They always say trading is about patience. And if you have patience and you stay in a trade, a lot of times it works out in your favour. If you've waited for your strategy and if you've waited for the perfect setup, then you should really stick out that trade. Now, I do not like that doji candle that just came along now. This is not a nice candle. Let's see what this is saying. This is on the Heikin Ashi candles. This gives you always a change of direction. It gives you an idea on a change of direction. So we're still looking. So we're still looking halfway decent here. This, even on the minute, doesn't even tell me it's going to change direction. So the Heikin Ashi candles are quite good. As you can see up here, Heikin Ashi. This gives you an idea whether it's going to change direction. These are quite good indicators, actually. So basically, if you see, like now it's changing direction, but we'll look on the 5-minute chart. See now, as you can see here, there's no candles underneath. There's only candles above. So if I see a candle underneath here, that's a potential change of direction. So for example, like here, we have these candles. We're going to the upside, yeah, it's bullish. This comes along, it's a change of direction. We've got a wick on both sides, and then all of a sudden, boom, it gives you the change of direction. You can close your trade. That's a good way of looking at trades and saying, do I stay in this trade or do I close this trade early? So right now this is still going okay. If I see wicks on the bottom side, I'll be looking to close the trade potentially early. And that's on the Heikin Ashi candles. So a lot of times I don't even look at this, because when I see a red candle, my mind says to me, shit, close the trade, it's going to change direction. So if I went to the Heikin Ashi candles and I see, to give me the confirmation that it's going to change direction, and I see 2 wicks on this side, yes, I might close that trade early. But I don't see that right now. Not yet. It's not looking great when you look at the normal candlesticks. But over here, it's telling me that it's still bullish. So watch candle. I wouldn't look at it at the on the Heikin Ashi. I wouldn't look at it on the 1 minute, because there's too much noise. You're going to see too many wicks everywhere. It's going to do you nothing. So if you look at the 5 minutes or the 15 minutes, it's going to give you much more of an idea whether you should stay in that trade or whether you should close it early. I look at the 5 minute, because the 15 normally it's already losing. So I look at the 5 and whether it's going to change direction or not. So if I go like that, it's a lot easier than looking at this. Because when I look at this, I think, shit, should I close this trade now? Should I close this trade? I'm seeing a red candle. Now, it looks like it will change direction, so I'm keeping a kind of a close eye on whether I see 2 wicks here. There. Now there's 2 wicks. This is potential change of direction, as you can see, a potential change of direction. So now I know that this could go the other way, and I'm probably going to close my trade I'm thinking very closely, do I close the trade? I'm closing the trade. At least I'm only down now £24. You guys do what you want, but I'm closing that trade because I was down 600 and I won 600, so now I'm break even. I can always re-enter. I can re-enter this trade if this carries on going up. But at least I know that now I am break even. Or close to, I'm £25 down. $25 down. Remember, this isn't for my own money, this is for a challenge. So I've got to play this smart. If that was my own money, I would have stayed in that trade and I would have let the stop loss probably take the money. But as I want to pass this trade in 2 days, I need to make 1500 today. And I was down 600. So yeah, let's see what happens here. But I'll close that down. I'd rather take the profit of 600 than it potentially going down. So if I look at the Heikin Ashi candles here, let's see. So we also have the wicks. The wick is forming on both sides, so that is a potential change of direction. But then the next wick has got no wick on it. But now we have a definite change of direction. I think we will see this to go to the downside. 15 minute won't tell you much, but the 5 minute will. We'll bring this back and see what it's saying. Now if it does go up, hey, it's no problem. I can re-enter this trade. That's not an issue. Yeah, see, look, we've got 2 candles, both one up and down, up and down. Who stayed in the trade? Let me know who's in the trade. Who's going to brave this one out? There we go, we might have a little lift off here. But I'm glad I closed that down, because I just wanted to take the 600. Now if this gets above here again, I'll probably re-enter the trade. Remember, I'm here to try and win this challenge. My stats ain't great, but I'm not looking for stats on this. I don't really care about the stats. I'm just looking for the wins, guys. There was the win from yesterday. Now we're only £25 down for today. Now if this does continue to go to the upside, then I will re-enter the trade. So if you guys stayed in, good job. Well done with your patience. I didn't. I want to see what happens here. It's moving a bit too slow in this area. I want to see what's going to happen. We could have a big spike up though. It could rocket up. But I'm tempted to go in a second. If this starts to go up, I will re-enter this trade. I think I'm going to re-enter the trade anyway. From my stop loss to here. I'm going to re-enter, guys. I'm going to re-enter. I'm going to put my stop loss tight. And then we'll put our TP just there. So I'm willing to lose 445 and to win 770. And if it gets up to here, I may come back in and place 5 more contracts in order to speed up the process of me winning to get to the 1500. And as you know, this is live on YouTube. So whether I pass or fail, this is going to be live. Yesterday I didn't do live, but I still got the max. Come on, baby. Let's see this push up. Who's in the trade? Who stayed in the trade? I'm sure you guys probably did. Come on. I used to YouTube every day. I don't do it every day anymore. Still holding. Ah, come on, let's get above this area. No, just put the trade on. If it does come down, I'm fucking down again. I don't want to be down. I hate being down. I like being up. It gives you more of a buzz, you know? Come on, guys. Just got to make a phone call real quick. Yeah, I do it full time, buddy. Full time. I do little jobs here and there though, just to kind of keep me busy. Otherwise I go out of my mind with boredom. Trading is boring. So, I was in construction and landscaping before. And I got a lot of people calling me up and saying, can you do this for me? Sometimes I go out and do a job for them just to get out of the house. Go and build a deck or do a patio or something. Because I enjoy it. I'm not liking this. I should not have placed that trade, but hey, you never know. We had a nice little candle telling us to. Looks like we're going to come down. Normally I put my stop loss under here. If I did that though, I'd lose so much money if it came all the way down, so I'm not going to take that chance. So I keep keep a tight stop loss and was hoping this was going to go straight up, but it's biting me in the arse. Come on, baby, let's go. Let's push this up. Let's push this up. Come on. Come on, balls. I don't want to be 460 down if this hits my stop loss. We just brought it back. Let's go. Come on, balls, push this up for me. Let's go, let's go. Oh, I'm not liking that one tiny bit. Look at this. It's showing me that there's a definite change of direction coming in. There's no wick at the top here, so that means that the bears are in full control. That's not good. So this will probably hit my stop loss, and that will not be very good. Unless we see a massive kick. But it isn't looking good, is it? I'm going to go and put the kettle on. Okay, come on, come on. Let's go. Hey Alice, I was looking at the Aqua Funded as well, and there's a lot of bad reviews about it. Top Step, the only bad reviews you'll see was the platform that was kind of crashing. But I haven't had it crash in a while actually, so it is doing much better. And Top Step pays out within a day, which is pretty cool. When I had my payout, it took 1 day, and I had no problems at all with the payout. Oh, come on. I'm not liking this. Just hanging around this area. Let's push it up now, guys. Please. We're in the drawdown of 110 right now. Come on, baby. Let me see this backing to green, please. Let's push this up. I just want to get into the green. And hopefully we get some more power here. I just want to pass this challenge. And I want to pass it fast to show you it can be done in 2 days. I passed 4 other challenges on Top Step. And 3 of them I passed in 2 days and 1 I passed in 3 days. So it's definitely worth doing a Top Step challenge. And it's not expensive either. They pay out within 1 day. It's good. It's good. It's a good platform as well. It's a TradingView platform. So you can get all your little indicators and stuff on there as well. But I'm not an affiliate for them, so I'm not pushing them. But I'm just saying from my experience. So come on now, I'm seeing a lovely candle on the Heikin Ashi there. So let's push this up, baby. Come on. Let's push this up. Alright, come on, baby. Oh, it's at a standstill, isn't it? It's like a battle between the sellers and buyers right now. Oh, let's hope the buyers come up out on top. You guys have gone very quiet. You're just watching the trade, or is no one watching? Is there any news today? Is there any news today? Oh, 245, 130 is nothing really. 245. We got some high impact news. Alright, come on now. Let's go above. Let's kick it above, guys. Come on now. Come on, balls. Come on, baby, push it up for me. It's all in the right place, all in the right place. Now we need to see this push above this line here. If it pushes above this line, happy days. Come on, baby. This is a bit better. Let's see some power from the bulls, please. That's it. Come on. Let's see a rocket. A rocket would be good. Come on, rocket baby. Let's go. Come on, come on, come on. Rocket to the moon. Come on, baby, rocket. If it gets above here, I told you I'm going in with another 5 contracts on a buy if it gets above this line. If it gets above the line, happy days. If I go in at a double, then I might be able to speed up the process to pass this challenge. And then, like I said, I don't trade like this when I've passed my challenge. I'm not as risky because you've only got to make 200 a day in order to pass for that day. So if you carry on making 200 a day, or if you have a good day, hey, 500, 1,000, whatever, as long as you have a green day, by the end of 5 days you could take your payout. That's exactly what I did. I had 5 consistent days. It can be non-consecutive days, but I hit 5 straight days and I took a payout on the 5th day straight away. Come on, baby, let's push more. I want to see this get above these. 2 more minutes till it closes. Come on. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I'm very tempted now, well quite soon, not just yet, to go in with another contract, but it needs to go a bit higher. It's different. Yeah, we do need it to push through. It's trying its hardest, right? Got to give it credit for trying. Come on, baby, let's go. Let's get through. Let's hit this fair value gap. That's on a 15 minute. So we can probably bring this just to there on this fair value gap. Let's come back down to the 5. Come on, baby, let's push above this. Let's not retract. Let's go, let's go. Get past. We all wanted to get past, right? We all want to make money. Come on, there's nothing really else in the way, is there? We got a small rejection here, so this could be a potential problem. If this gets to here, that could be a potential problem. But it does need to balance the market back out by hitting this fair value gap. That's quite a big fair value gap as well. Come on, baby, let's push up now. I was hoping that candle would close above this. Come on, baby. Just keeping my stop loss real tight, guys. Remember, I'm on a challenge, you see. So I don't really want to lose too much. And if I do lose the trade, I could always jump right back in again. And that 200 goes up very quickly when you're on a 5 contract size on a 50k challenge. Come on, let's push this past. We need it past there, right? Come on, baby. So at least right now it's, the stop loss is only at 200. I can deal with losing 200, but when you go down, yesterday when I was on my challenge, I went down 900. I was down 900, saw a great trade come along, took the trade, and then I won the whole thing by like 2,600 and passed the challenge in one trade. So come on, baby, let's go. Let's push this up. Let's get this rocket. Let's get this rocket. So I need like 1,530 to pass this challenge. It'd be lovely to do it in one trade, right? It'd be fantastic. Hard to do, trust me. I mean, the more sensible way, obviously, is to do it in 4 days. Or you could just do it in 3 days. Make 500 a day for 3 days. That's your first 1,500. And then just do... So yeah, 5-6 days you could do it comfortably. Because you could easily make 500 a day on this. But I was going for the kind of the max of 1,500. Yeah, we need some consistent momentum, you're right. Right now it's bouncing between buyers and sellers that no one's really strong. Don't like to see this damn change. Excuse me. I hate seeing these red candles bouncing in between. We want to see some full-blown green candles rocketing up to the moon, right? That's what we want to see. Right now this trade is only up 100 quid. I mean, it's better than being down 100 quid, which it could be, looking at this silly candle here. That's true. Ted does your back in sitting in a damn chair all day. That's why I like to get out and do a bit of landscaping here and there. Keep my body a bit more occupied. Take my mind off the charts for a minute or two as well. Come on, baby, let's go. Show me the money. Come on. Let's get above there now. That's it. Come on, baby. Let's get above there. There we go. There we go. I really want to bring my stop loss to break even, but it's definitely too low for that. It needs to get higher. That was a good closer candle though, that one. What's the 15 saying? 15 saying pretty good too though. Really slow right now. Come on. Let's push it up, baby. Let's push it up. Now it's whether I take a chance. Now I'm going to take a chance and I'm going to buy 5 more contracts. Now if this hits this right now, we will pass the challenge. So I really hope that this pushes all the way to the top. So now we're on 10 contracts. Come on, baby, let's push this up. And I really want this to go higher so I can bring this to break even and I stay in the trade. Because if it does get to the top, it'll be happy days and pass challenge. Come on now. I know you guys are rooting for me. Come on, baby, let's push this all the way through this fair value gap, please. Where was that? There. We're going to might have some issues here. This is what I was saying. This might be an issue. This may be an issue. And this may be an issue. So I really hope the balls are strong enough to push on through. So come on, get past this first bit for me. Push on part. Come on, baby. Push this past. Let's go. I mean, see, normally on a trade, what I'd be doing is I'd be taking profit. So if you are in this trade now, you need to be taking some partials. But as I'm trying to pass this challenge, I'm going for the full whack. And now I'm going to bring my trade to break even. So I'm in this trade, guys, whether it wins or not. Now, if it starts to come down, obviously, I'll obviously cash in. But if this goes all the way to the 15, we pass the challenge. Actually, 15, I was 30 down on this one. So this needs to be 15 in order to pass. 1535 plus 10. I need to go here and cancel this off actually. 0 and save changes. Come on, baby, let's push this up. All the way. 1575, I don't need that much. I need 1550 or something. 1545, yeah, that'll do. So come on, baby, let's push this up. Come on now, at least we're at break even. So whether this, I know I'm 650 up right now, 665 up. I'm really hoping it gets past this area though. So it's having a little bit of trouble there. And hopefully it can push above this area. And this is my area of concern, is here. See, rejecting off here quite a lot. Come on, baby, let's get pushing. Let's push this higher. No. Come on, don't come back down. I knew it was going to retrace off that a little bit. Push this back up for me. Damn it. Come on. Ah. I don't want it to hit my break even. I'm going to bring this up at 245. Come on, baby. Don't want it to wick me out all of a sudden, you know. Come on, baby, push this up. This would be lovely to win this trade, guys. This would be amazing. So with 400 and bollocks. Really not liking this trade now. Well, that wick from there has pushed it straight back when it hit the top here. It's pushed it right back down again. If this comes and takes me out on a stop loss at 245, I'll be pissed off. Come on, let's push this up. Come on, guys. Bulls, get back in there. Let me see that rocket to the moon, please. Let me see your rocket. That sounds kind of gay, doesn't it? Let me see your rocket. I didn't mean that. Come on, let's go. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on, man. Let's push this up. Oh, not good. Not good, guys. I was not wanting that. Oof. That was real bad. And there's a wick at the bottom. Damn it. Come on, Bulls. Get back in the game. At least you're in profit, my man. I'm not liking this candle one tiny bit. The bulls are still there, pushing it. But the sellers definitely want this to go down. And I can take this at 285 up, 300 up, if I wanted to. Or I can stay in this with a potential stop loss at 245. I just really wanted to hit this top one. I'm just really hoping the bulls are going to be strong enough to push this back up. You know, I wish I had 100 billion that I could just whack in there real quick, just to make the market move in my favour. It's about what you'd need in order to see some movement in the market. I mean, you may see a small bit go for $1 billion. It might make the market move a little bit, but not much. Come on, let's push this up. Come on, buyers, get back in the game, man. Get back in the game. Then again, football fan, your stop loss must have been real tight, but you must have secured some decent profits on that trade. It's good that you're using your demo though as like a real account, so you're trading your stop loss tight so you didn't lose any profits. That's cool. I mean, I do the same way. I did exactly the same thing. Because when I was doing the demo accounts, I didn't really care. My stop loss was so far down. I just wanted to see the profit, and I was just like, what's the point of doing this? And that's why having a live account is a real test to if you can trade or not. Because the emotion will start to kick in, the emotions. Because like right now, this is hovering. This looks like it's probably going to go down. And I said it was going to bounce off here, didn't I? And it has bounced off there, but I'm hoping that there's still a chance. I don't really want to be so far. If this is going to plummet down, it's going to plummet down. So let's just lose 50 instead of 200. Yeah, it's probably going to take me out now. Like I said, it didn't like that. It bounced back. I think it will come back and try it again. I do honestly think. But that's cool. You secure profits. That's exactly what you need to do. Yeah, this trade's not great at the moment. I'm really hoping the bulls step back into play, because it's not far to go to hit that 1500. It just needs some good little rockets. So when I could take the trade now, I could take it out at 355. If I wanted to. And this doesn't look good. You see the doji on this. I must say I'm quite greedy as well, mate. And it can be good and bad. Sometimes it works in your favour and it works real well. Other times it can really bite you in the arse. Like last week, I lost 86,000. Now, that was a real kick in the teeth. I took a break. I took a week off. I'm so not liking this now. I was hoping this would just tank up. Not tank up, but go plummet up like. That's what I was really hoping. But it ain't doing that. And I think this will come down and retest down to here. It's a waiting game, my man. I'm in. Whether it goes up or it hits my stop loss, I'm in. Not good, not good. Come on, bulls. Yeah, sometimes you just gotta play it out and just say, fuck it, it either hit my stop loss or it's gonna hit my take profit. I mean, the setup was there. Managed to get the 600 back though. I was 600 down. I started this trade, so I'm already up on this trade. Doesn't make a difference to me. We'll just see if this actually, if the bulls can fight. If they can, let's push this up. But if you're not in a trade, I wouldn't get in a trade now. There's no clear direction what it's going to do. Come on, bulls, let's push this up now. Let's push this up, baby. Come on, baby. I'm not thinking straight. Cheers, everybody. Come on, baby. Give me that rocket to the moon. Let me see the rocket. So how long have you been training for then, football fan? Come on, let's push up, man. Let's push it up, please. And let's go. 3 days. 3 days? Oh my god. Wow, proper newbie. Wow, okay, yeah. I've been doing about 7 years, but not all time, full time. You know, I had a job, and I gave up the job a few years ago and full-time trading. You got a long road ahead, buddy. You won't learn this. It takes a while. You're going to blow a lot of money. You're going to blow a lot of accounts. And that is part of learning. You have to blow the accounts. If you don't blow an account, you won't make it as a trader. I tried it years ago. It was useless. Yeah, I mean, look, I went through tens of thousands I've lost. So if you're going to lose, keep it to the minimum. You know, as you're just starting out, fund account with 50 quid in it, and then just go 0.01 all the way. 0.01 is your lot size. Do not do more than 0.01, and then get a strategy, but don't just have one, because the market changes all the time. Like a strategy that worked last week won't work this week, you know, vice versa. So you've got to keep changing to the market conditions. And if you're seeing a choppy market, stay out. Don't try and do a choppy market. Just trade on clear direction. This one I knew was going to probably hit my stop loss, but I stayed in the game. Just maybe, you know. Well, welcome. I'm glad you're in Ellis's channel though, because you've got some really good traders in there. So you can learn a lot, which I didn't. I didn't really learn when I first started. I just got in the charts, thought I could do it because I'm good at IT, and then I realised, no, I can't do this without a bit of help. So I took a masterclass. Yeah, that's good you're using a demo account. I didn't know you're only 3 days in, my god. That's good. When you feel ready, just fund 50 quid. Don't try a prop firm yet. Not for several months. Don't try and do a challenge, because you'll just keep failing them. No offence, but you will. You might pass one lucky one here and there, but without strategies involved, you will fail in the long run. So yeah, when you feel ready, just get a Vantage account. That's what I use as Vantage. It's pretty good. Put 50 quid in. Well, actually, your first one, put in as much as you can, because they double it. So if you can afford 500, put 500 in. They'll give you £1,000 equity. You'll be alright, buddy. You'll be alright. I mean, I never had a community to bounce off when I first started. It's just me and the charts. So there's a lot of things you can use now You know, people use copy trading and all this bullshit, free signals. You know, I don't do any of that bollocks. I just look at it myself. You can go on YouTube and you'll see a whole bunch of people trading right now live. You see one person on a sell, one person on a buy. You don't know which way to go. So the best way to do is to get your own strategy and trust your own strategy. Don't try and listen to somebody else. Because that way you can always trade. Otherwise you'll always rely on other people. Man, this is boring right now. This is boring. I can see this coming down to hit my stop loss. With a miracle, a buyer comes in and whacks a whole bunch in and the market goes up, and that's what I'm hoping. But now we're going to be in drawdown. Oh man, I was hoping for better results on this. I hope you're not in a trade. There's no trade right now. The trade is shit right now. That's good, buddy. That's good. Don't jump into something. Always have a strategy. Otherwise, you're just gambling. And gambling doesn't work. I tried it, of course. I've tried the up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. It does work sometimes, but that's just short-lived, my man. Short-lived. Oh dear. Same with other candles. I mean, the hourly candles, that's a massive rejection. That tells you it should be on the upside. And it's touched the 20 EMA as well on the 1 hour. So everything points in the right direction for it to go bullish. But this is on the hourly chart. So you need a massive stop loss. If I was to come down to here with a stop loss, I'd potentially lose my entire capital. So I won't do that. I'd rather lose a little bit and then live to fight another day, kind of thing. So I wouldn't put all my eggs in one basket for me to lose it. I don't do swing trading, you see. That's swing trading for you. So look at this little chop bullshit. There's no clear direction on the Heiken Ashi. Look at these candles there, buddy, if you can. Heiken Ashi candles. This is where it tells you to change the direction. They're quite handy. They're quite good. I use that when I'm in a trade, or when I'm looking to get into a trade. I look at those candles because it gives me it identifies a potential change of direction. Not always, but most of the time. It's quite accurate. Believe it or not. I mean, if you have a look at this, if you have a look at, let's say, on a 15-minute chart, yeah? And okay, that one didn't work, that one there, but still, you still have a change of direction here. So if you place your trade in there, you'd still be able to get all of this run. You would then, obviously, if you closed out here, it'd be good. If you didn't, it'll come back up. You probably hit your stop loss here at break even. Then the same thing happens again here. So it's quite a good little tool to have. So I'm hoping that this will now continue to be just green with no wicks. This is what I want to see. If I can zoom in a little bit more. This is on the 1 minute. See, these are pure green on the bottom with no wicks on the bottom. No wick, no wick, no wick. And the green. So I want big wicks on the top and no wicks on the bottom. And that tells me this is going. So that's on the 1 minute. And the 5 minute would potentially change in direction, but nothing's guaranteed yet. We have to wait 4 minutes until that candle closes. So right now we're just looking at a bit of chop. I want it to get past this area here to cover this fair value gap. And we're not doing much right now. But you've got to have the patience because right now it's not doing a lot, it's just chopping around. I mean, we can be up 400 and we can be break even, or we can be down 200. Right now it's doing nothing. So I need a clear direction whether this is going to go up or down if I was to place a trade on here. And I generally wait. I don't know if it's going up or going down. There's no direction yet. But you should not, if you're waiting for a trade, you should always wait for 2 candles to give you the confirmation. And wait for like a decent candle to show you that there's no sellers, or the sellers are very faint. Yeah, that's right. You've got to see which way the market wants to go. I mean, I want it to go up, of course, but I've got to have that patience to stay. And see, now I could take this. We're at £500 up, or $500 up. I could take this. And it's tempting, because that's the third of the way through the challenge. But if this does happen to rocket up, I can take that in one trade. So I'm willing to lose 145 for it to pass my challenge. And if this does keep going up, I may even put another contract size just to speed up the process, because we've got a lot of shit here. If it gets above this, which I really hope it does, then we've got also rejections here, and my take is up here, so it needs serious bull power to get up to here, which I don't think it would have. So if it starts to go up, like I said, it's not doing brilliantly, then I may even increase the contract size by another 5, and it'll bring my take profit down to about here somewhere. Come on, baby, let's go. You were just up there. Let's stop rejecting off that bullshit here. You can't get past this area. Oh, look at that. It's probably, like I said, it'll probably come down and hit my stop loss, mate. Because it keeps rejecting off of this area here is a problem. If it can get past this area, this is a potential problem. If it can get past that, then the next one will be here. That's my next issue there. These are my 2 problems. So if we can get above these 2 areas, if we can get above this area, then we should fly up to here. And this is where I potentially would put another contract in. Come on, baby. I mean, some people would take this area here as supply or demand, and they would put a sell on. Some people would do that. But like I said, I'm in this trade. Now, do I take the 500? Do I stay in it and be patient? That's the whole thing about it. Patience is a good thing sometimes. Yeah, just too much waiting, because it's just chop right now. There's no direction, there's no clear direction whatsoever. I mean, this tells me that right now you see that the bulls are more in control than the bears are. There's the bears coming in again with a small wick on the bottom. So yeah, it's just pure chop right now. There's no direction. So whether this goes up or down, I have no idea. I'm really hoping it gets past this area here. And if it doesn't, hey ho. I've reduced my stop loss to 95, so there'll be nothing. But like I said, I wanted to record this to see if I can pass this challenge in 2 days. So we've already passed the first one. This is the second part. I'm hoping to pass this. If it does hit that, yeah, I would definitely not place any trades right now. There's no trades to place. I'm just in this trade, so obviously I'm going to see what happens. Because if it goes up and it does hit my take profit, I pass. And if it goes down and hits my stop loss, I lose $95, which is nothing. So me too, I've just got to see what happens. So the best thing to do is go and have a cup of tea, set yourself an alert if it goes above. Come on, baby, come on, I want to see this rocket above this area. If it gets past this area, we are happy glory. Then I will put another contract on. Then it will be less for me to. Come on, there we go, come on, let's go. But we're not above yet. Look, that's where we need to get above. Right at the top of that we've got to get. Come on, baby. Come on, bulls. Let's go. Struggling so much on this area. It's only tiny as well. It's not even big. Look. It's not even big. And there's another fair value gap that's massive here. I'm surprised this is. I mean, look at the size of that fucker. Look at that. That's ridiculous. I thought this was going to fly from that up. Really thought so. Oh, not nice. It's not what we want to see, is it? All the way back down again. We were so high up as well. Come on. Oh, this is bullshit. Now it's coming down to eat my stop loss up when we were just up 500. The news, 11 o'clock, it's going crazy right now. It's going to hit my stop loss, man. It's coming down. There must be news. There isn't. There, hit my stop loss. What the fuck? Okay, now I'll be ready for a buy to come back into this market. When this tells me this is coming down to the end, I'm going to be hitting this buy back in again. This is a liquidity grab. 100% liquidity grab. There's no news or nothing. There's no reason for this. So people are dumping to buy. So come on. Show me when you're gonna change. Show me when you're going to change. Show me, show me, show me. Where's the bounce going to be? Where's this bounce going to be? Could be rejections here. We've got a bit of area here. I really want to get into this trade as soon as we get that bounce. Now this will be a gamble, but I want to pass this challenge, guys, and I'm looking to get in pretty quickly. I'm hoping that was just a liquidity grab. On the 1 minute it's telling me something. How far are we going to go down? How far are we going down, guys? That'd have been a nice sell. I like sells on gold. Sells on gold are nice because they tank down so fast and so hard. You make serious profit. See, I'm not looking for a bounce from a certain area because I do honestly think this is a liquidity grab. I mean, look, we've got this area here of potential. That's an area there. That's a potential area of supply. And this actually probably would be bigger. This is an area of supply, so it could be anywhere in there really. Yeah, very volatile, and it's just, for me it's like getting in at the right time because I want to have a sniper entry here. That's what I'm looking for, is a sniper entry. So I can get the entire candle, because if I get this whole entire candle here, that would be the challenge over. Because I may even do more than 5 contracts on this one. I may even do it at 7 contracts. And then I can double down when it's halfway onto 14, and it'll be quicker. Thinking out loud, guys, thinking out loud, just like Ed Sheeran says. Come on, baby. Tell me to change of direction. Is this it or not? Is this the change of direction? Show me or not? Potentially the change, but I haven't seen it and it hasn't touched my area yet. Hasn't touched this area yet, so I'm thinking it might come down a little further. Come on, baby. Show me something I want to see. I think this area here is supply area. So I'm looking... This is what I'm looking for. Looking at this area of supply. See, now we're looking at something. Now's a change of direction, and I am in. Oh, come on, don't go back down more. It might go down more, but it didn't actually go into my area, did it? So that may have been too hasty. All I was looking at was this Heikin-Ashi candle on this side here. Normally my stop loss, oh yeah, I was a bit too premature. My stop loss would normally be all the way down here. But I can't do that because I'd lose so much money. I mean, I've got 500 on a stop loss here. I really hope it doesn't go down there to there. I'm hoping this will now come back up for me. Come on, guys. Okay. Keep on going up for me. Come on. Go on, keep going. Man, it's volatile. See the bounce, and this is on the 5-minute chart as well. Jeez. Come on, let's fly up there. Let's take this whole fair value gap. Look at that fair value gap from there to there. That's mad. Come on, baby, let's kick this up a gear. Come on, keep on going. And that was quite cheap to buy down there as well, where I bought. I want to see a wick here on the 5-minute chart. The 1 minute doesn't really mean much. The 5-minute chart is what I want to see. Come on, baby, let's go. That's a big wick. Come on, push it up. Push it up, man. Damn it. So, to let you guys know, this is my... I know that other people do this, so I will do it too. And let's see where this takes me. I want to see the wick on this. Come on, I want to see this wick. Come on, balls. You just had your liquidity, so let's push this right up now. Come on now. Up you go. Up you go, up you go, up you go. I thought it was going to go up quicker than that. I wanted to get high enough where I can bring my stop loss to 0. To me that's really important, especially in a challenge. If I lose this one, I'd be down 600 again, which I don't want to be. I want to be up. To be honest with you, I'll bring it down to 280 to here. Tighter stop loss, dangerous stop loss, very small, but I don't want to lose too much, because I can come back by losing 300. I can come back and play a game. If I lose 500, you know, then it's 600 down. It's too difficult to come back mentally. Come on, let me see the change of direction on this damn one. Still not there. Started on the 1 minute, gone back down. It's not the direction I want to see. Now we're in drawdown. Bad drawdown. And it's going to take me out. Fucker. Okay, so shit, now I'm 400 down, guys. I need to get this back. Alright. Let's stay positive. I'll get this trade back, don't you worry. I will get this back. All we need is a decent trade. One decent trade, and I'll be able to hit. All right. So we're in the supply area. Probably a bit too... was too hasty to go into that trade. I should have waited. Now let's wait for a clear directional trade. I'm not sure about all of this though. This could potentially come all the way down. The 15, so change the direction. We've got a crossover here. This came back for a trace. You know what? This could potentially plummet down past and give us the head and shoulders. I don't know. No, that's a clear upward trend. But this could potentially come all the way down to here, or even possibly here, to get the reversal. So we haven't lost that many trades. It's just that I'm playing this differently to the way I'd normally play. Because I'd normally take money. Obviously if I'm in profit and it was going against me, I would take my profit. But on this, as I'm trying to get the challenge finished, I'm 400 down now, so I need a damn good trade. With a pretty big lot size to be able to get this. Which I've done many times. But I must say I was hoping to pass it by now. Now nothing is happening. Again. So whether it's going to continue to the downside or the upside, we need to look, and really got to wait. So this one's a waiting game, guys. So we could be looking at a sell. By looking at the candles right now, the sell is definitely on the cards. If you look at this now, the structure of it, because the buyers weren't strong enough to push it up, sellers have come in with a massive sell down, continuing to sell. So yeah, see what it does through this area. I mean, I want to be in a trade, and I think it might tank down. If I'm looking at this now, I think this could potentially, it's got up to there, I think that could potentially come down to around about here. And if we look at on the Heikin Ashi candles, it's pretty strong on the 5-minute candles and on the 15-minute candle. So this could potentially go down, but we won't know yet what's going to really happen. It's pretty big candles here though, but this means nothing yet, because this was nothing, so I'm not actually waiting for it to go back up yet. I don't think that was a big enough retracement. I think it needs to come down further to get a lot more liquidity to go higher. This is a tough market. This is a hard market right now. I'm going to make a phone call. Hang on. Not sure what's going on here, right? Starting to get from my area of supply. This is going to bounce back up again. Oh, it's a tough market, right? Who knows? Because that can't be the retracement. That's not much at all, is it? I was thinking it was going to come down a lot further than that. Is it worth putting on a small trade just to up here? Stay within this zone. Maybe it's going to play within this zone here. Tell you what, should we give it a try? Ain't got much to lose. Let's give it a small try. Just a small one. This is just a little quick CF trade just by looking at price action. It's rejected. It's a strong bull candle. You can see what happens here. Need to get a couple of winners in here. Guys, this isn't to copy my trades, because a lot of these trades that I'm doing are very risky. But I'm trying to pass the challenge live on YouTube. Today's been a challenging day, I must say. It's a tough day. Very volatile market. Trades are going against me. There's no clear direction. This is a very, very, very dodgy day. And if I was trading my own account, to be honest with you, I'd probably stay away. I definitely wouldn't take on the trades I'm taking on now. Nah, definitely not. Just that if I don't try, I'm not going to know. But this had nice price action, so I was just going off that. Oh, what a shit day, right? What a shit day. I mean, yesterday wasn't brilliant. Yesterday was alright. I just had one fantastic trade that I had a sniper entry and I made 2,600 on. So I passed the challenge. That's all it takes is one really good trade. And then to buy in more contracts as it's going up. And it goes so quickly. When you've got 10, 15 contracts on one trade, it goes so quick. Come on, baby, let's go. Shows you a bit and then takes it away, right? Look at that in the 1 minute cut. Yeah, it's probably good to stay away from the charts right now because there's no brilliant trades on right now. I'm taking this is risky trades. But like I said, this isn't my money. This is only a challenge. But it would be nice to pass a challenge, of course. But if it was my own 50 grand, if I was to put this trade on here, I wouldn't be doing it at 5 contracts. I'll be doing it at 1. You know? Because it is a risky trade. But if you don't risk it, you're not going to bloody pass or fail a challenge. You've got to be able to take some risks in order to pass these challenges. I mean, not silly risks, but just a little bit, you know. Like for instance, if this went up a bit higher here, I'd throw in another 5 contracts, bring this closer, be prepared to lose a couple of hundred, but then when it goes up so fast. Because right now, if I go all the way to here, I'm only going to make 845, which is not that much. So I need to look for a few more candles, and if this continues to go up, definitely if it gets past this area here, I'd put in a few more contracts as well. Come on. Come on, let's see a bit more power with the balls here. Let's go up a little bit higher. That was a nice jump, and then the sellers pushed it right back down again. That's a bit shit. Come on, baby. So I'll now bring this a bit closer. So I'm only going to lose 100 if it comes all the way down, which is not so bad. And if this goes a bit higher, I can then potentially, oh, don't come down. So basically all I'm trying to do here is I'm putting a trade on. If it goes up, I'm bringing my stop loss to 0 as quickly as I possibly can. Because if the trade goes up in my favour, happy days. If it doesn't, it comes down and hits me at stop loss on 0. That's how I'm doing the challenges anyway. My own personal account, obviously I have a risk to ratio, and so I'm prepared to lose that money. But on here it's different because it's a challenge, so I've got to just kind of go all in, stop loss as quick as I can, hope that trade goes up fast. I do the challenges much different to the way I do my own account. And if you look at the way I trade, I've got lots of different videos and live sessions where I have traded my own money, and I trade differently. Come on, let's see some rocket to the moon. Come on, baby, let's go up. Come on, give me some big candles. Get above this area here. So, are we going to go up hard, fast, come down, take my stop loss? This is a choppy market, guys. But we're trying to make it today. And we're down 445. Come on, push up, man. Push up. I don't like this hanging about. Fuck, I don't want to see these red ones. That's not good. That's not good. Come on, push this much higher up. I need to bring this to stop the stop loss to break even, but I can't right now because it could wick me out real easy. My stop loss is tight anyway. Let's go. Anyone in a trade? Who's in a trade right now? Come on, man. Alright, come on, let's see this. Let's do this, guys. It's too slow for my likings. Fuck it, let's go break even. Don't like this trade anyway, so I don't lose anything if it decides to come back down on me. If it goes up, happy days, right? I'm bored. I'm bored. Come on, let's see this go. Give me a rocket to the moon, man. It's one big rocket. So my stop loss then is safe. Because right now stop loss is not safe. It could hit me easy. Easy stuff. Come on. Let's see something happen, yeah? Everybody's left me. I feel so lonely. I'm really not liking this price action here, guys, but it looks like it's going to come down on me. It should be on a sell. This tells, look at those two price action bits there, tells me it's going to come down. And we are probably going to take this anyway. Because I'm looking for the sell, really, more so than the buy. The buyers don't have any power. It seems to be the sellers that want to do some damage, right? I don't have any faith in the buyers right now. There's not a lot of trades on right now, is there? But let's just secured another 100 or so in there. We'll chip away at this. We can try and chip away. So who we got in the room right now? Right now we're doing nothing but just trying to chip away at the minus. There's no real trades on right now. Nothing that stands out to me. I'm just putting some tiny little trades on to try and chip away at this minus. I mean, there's literally just shit going on. Just chop. If you have a look, there's not a lot really happening. What I want to see is a big move. Big move to the downside, because when it sells, sometimes you get these humongous candles, which would be lovely right now. Yeah, we've got a potential crossover here though. cross over to the downside. Well, this is boring. It's very boring right now. There's not much to do when the trades are like this. Just super boring, man. I might go down so I can bring my stop loss a bit further down. There's a crossover though, right there. So let's go. See if we can see a bit of lift. I wanted to get above this area here of resistance. If we can get above this area of resistance, then great. Come on, let's push this up a bit more. Let's get past this area this time. That's a beautiful candle. Come on, let's get past this area. Oh. Let's get past this, let's get past this. Bouncing, it's bouncing, it's bouncing once again. You'd hope they'd have enough buyers in the market now to get past this. It's only a little bit of resistance too, it's not even that much. But it didn't like it here before. Ah, bollocks, it's come all the way down again. It is not liking that area here for some reason. There's a lot of order blocks here. Come on, push this up above. Oof. That is not nice. Come on, baby, push hard. Big kick above. Big kick above. Come on. I want to move my stop loss. I want this to get above this. Come on, baby, push harder than that. That's it, come on. We're in the last minute. Let's go harder. Come on. Let's get past this resistance area. Come on, push hard. You were here many, many times before. Oh, push, push, push. I'll bring this just in case this doesn't go anywhere. And it comes all the way down again. Fuck it. I've done it many times, but I want to try and... I've already 558 down. I'm trying to make this back. But at least I won't lose anything now on this trade. I'm just hoping it will get above this to get higher to about here somewhere. Because then I know my stop loss will be safe for a little while. Oh, come on. We need to get... Oh, we need to get a beautiful trade going here. There we go. Come on. Now let's go higher. Let's start to go. Let's start to go. Is it above that line? It's above that line. Is this going to continue to move upwards for me? I want this to go a little bit higher before I put another contract on. So we've got some areas of concern there. Come on. Keep going above there. Above, 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 and close. Close above all of this area. Let's go. Close above this wick. Still got 4 more minutes to close on this candle. The 15-minute looks beautiful. The 30-minute looks beautiful. The hour looks beautiful. We're going in for another buy. Come on, baby, let's push this higher for me. Let's get above all of this rubbish. Let's push this higher. Come on, we've got a massive fair value gap to cover here. It's half covered it, but we want to get above all of this resistance. Come on, man, push. I mean, these other candles just look so good. Come on, baby, rock it to the moon for me. Rock it to the moon, let's go. Come on, baby. Let's go higher than that. 2 more minutes on this candle. We got 11 contracts on this. I need this to go higher to bring my stop loss to 0. Right now it's not doing much. Come on, man, push. Hit there a little bit. Come on. Yeah, let's get higher. And the last candle here. Let's push this to the moon, man. Push it to the moon. Come on, baby. Come on, I need some massive candles now. I need some massive candles. Come on, baby. Let's see if we can get there. Come on, give me some real big uns. Ah, football fan, you're still there. I thought you'd left. Well, got above this area here, in the middle of this fair value gap. I was hoping we could get a lot faster than this. And this is very, very optimistic to get to here. Very optimistic. I'm hitting this at break even just in case. I know that that's really tight. Just that I'm 561 down on the account, so it's either going to go up I was going to come down and hit my stop loss at break even. Just don't really want to gamble. Not in this market. I don't want to, take on too much because there's not a lot of trust there. Even though these candles look good, and I should have a bit more faith, especially in the 15-minute candle, but it keeps going up and down. You just don't know, man. I mean, maybe I should bring this down a little bit. Give this half a chance to come up. It's only 200 quid. I don't want to get wicked out just for the hell of it. Oh, go up higher, up to here at least, man, so I can secure some kind of profits. Come on, baby, let's push up a bit more for me. I like that. Come on, a nice big jump would be nice. A nice big jump above here. I don't think it will hit this target. That's way too optimistic. If I was swing trading, maybe. But as we're trying to go for quick scalping, come on, bulls. Go up higher. Give me some leeway here. We're too close to my stop loss and point of entry. I mean, it's either we take the 400 to bring that down to just 100 over and re-enter, or we stay in this trade. Oh, that's the thing, But I don't see what's stopping it really, apart from just this. That's the hard one, it's always all-time highs. You don't have a lot to go off. You can only go off price action. And that's not that accurate sometimes. Just hoping for a big kick up. I need a big kick. Come on, give me that big kick all the way up the top. That was a shit doji candle. I do not like that. And that was the 15-minute one. It was a strong 15-minute candle. Very strong. Tiny bit of sellers, a lot of buyers. That's what we need. Come on, let's push this all the way to the top, baby. Let's push this all the way to the top. I think I can probably safely bring this up to break even. Come on, let's get past this area as well. Maybe I'll secure something, at least 190 on there. Come on, baby, let's go big now. That's where the end of the fair value gap is. Let's see if it continues to push. We've got an area here of resistance. So we've got 700 in the bag. That would put me in a plus. But I'm hoping for more, man. I'm hoping for more. I don't want to see any wicks here. I want to see this push. Come on, baby, let's push this up. Come on, big pushes for me. Let's go. Don't like it. Don't like it. Come on. Shit, that's really bad. Ugh. Man, this is a hard market today, man. This is very hard to make any kind of money. This could plummet down at any time. Making money today is bloody hard work. Fuck me, look at that shit. Told you it'd plummet down at any time. Fuck me. Okay, we still won the trade, but shit. And we're going to go back in. I don't believe this is going to go all the way down. It might use this area here as support. This is one hell of a hard market. Do not follow my trades today. Fuck me. This is hard. Yesterday was so easy. And at least we won that last trade. I'm glad I didn't move my stop loss any further down. Wow, just look at that candle. How can you even trade these? It's so hard to trade today. It's just a joke, isn't it? God blimey. I think we're all waiting for the big Hail Mary. I don't think it's going to come very soon. Oh, it's like watching paint dry. Really nice if I could just take that first trade and it hit the take profit of the challenge on the first trade. Wouldn't that have been nice? We've been drawdown more than we've been in plus. Is what it is, right? It is what it is. Now, come on, baby. Give me this one trade that I can get. Basically, I need 1800 or 1720. It's not a big trade if I've got 20 lot size on it. Come on, guys. Push this up. For fuck's sake. You could probably go to sleep, come back and it'd be in the same damn place. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yeah, I don't think we're going to get these humongous moves. I think we're going to get these smaller moves. And I might have to build gradually. That'd be a bad loss if it comes down. But yeah, the crossover here. Everything tells me it's going up, right? But then we keep messing about on this line. Come on, we want to see some rockets to the moon, man. Come on, baby, let's push this up harder. Harder, harder, harder. get past this area. Small bit of resistance. Yeah, that's what it's banging off, is this. The top of this. This needs to come down a little bit. There. That's where it's banging off, I think. Oh, come on, baby, let's go. Give me a rocket to the moon, just one, big one, so I can bring me to stop loss to 0. Get above this area of resistance for me. Come on. Fuck me, it's gone all the way down again. This is a killer. I'm not liking this trade. Not at all, mate. Fuck me, come on, get back up there. And bounce up all the way to the top. Get past this resistance. Oh dear. It's such a hard day for trading today. So hard. Maybe the New York Open comes, it'll be a bit easier. Come on. Balls, get in there, man. Come on, balls, push this up. Come on, baby. Oh. Right, stop teasing me. Get up there. Come on, let's go higher. Let's keep pushing, baby. Oh. Gets up a little bit, comes down. Come on. So slow. Come on, get above here. I want to bring my stop loss to 0. Come on, baby, let's push this now hard for me. Come on. Let's push this above all of this. Above all of this rubbish. Come on now. Keep going up. Oh, don't retrace back off this little stupid bit here. We should have enough liquidity from down here to be able to push up, but it's going so slowly. Come on, baby, now push. All the way. All the way. All the way up. Come on now. Get past this area here. Where right now we're at the fair value gap and coming into a bit of resistance. So I'm hoping this doesn't retrace back. Hoping there's enough liquidity that it can push all the way through. It's bouncing, which I thought it might. Hoping it comes back down and just goes for it. I could take this now and I'll be back to break even. Or do I give the trade a chance? Which I have to a little bit to see what happens. Yeah, boy, you see that big bounce off then, man. hitting this area and it's bouncing, man. I don't know if I should take it now, because it might come back and I mean, I'm not even break even. I should go there just in case, man. I'm only 3.8 down, because I don't know if it's going to get past this area or not. Damn, man. Put it under there. 2000. Come on. Let me see something from you. Let me see it go rocket above all of this. Come on, baby, let's see it. Come on, get past all of this. Get past it all. Come on, let's see some rockets to the moon, man. Let's see some rockets. Ugh. It was nice while it lasted, right? Bouncing off all this area of resistance. Oh, come on, baby. Let's push this up for me. Struggling to get past it. Yeah, might come down and take me out. I think it's going to take me out. But you got to give it a chance to go up though, right? It's going to try the area again though, isn't it? It's got to try the area again to see if it can get through. That's quite a strong area to get through, I think. Not liking this candle at all. I took it off the table, because that would have come down and taken me out, and there you go, I would have lost 100. Took it out before it took out my stop loss, so it's fine. I will go back into this trade. I just want to see how far it's going to go down. Probably go back down and retest this area, I would imagine. Yeah, that would have taken me out for about 400 or 500 quid. This is proper scalping city right now, what we're doing. What I'm doing. I do not say to people to do this. There's no clear direction of a trade. It's just a whole bunch of bollocks, really. Yeah, I was hoping for a rocket. Didn't give it to us. What would be a lovely trade? If this comes all the way up above here, then I'd definitely win. Man, I was hoping this would take me just the morning to pass. There's been no trades. Been fuck all this morning. I really hope that this can do something. I mean, it's clearly a buy, but it's so risky, man. Unless you got a massive stop loss. Well, no, I could put one lot size here, a stop loss all the way down here, and I know it's going to go up. But then it'll take me 3 weeks to pass the bloody challenge. I'd rather get one great trade on here, whether there's going to be a sell-off. I don't see it. Oh, we got beautiful candles here for a buy, right, on the hourly and on the 15-minute. This should potentially go all the way bloody up to there, you know. So if I put my stop under here, I know it's a lot, 380. Kind of just let that one go, smaller lot size, and let it go and see what happens, because it's a buyer's market right now. If it gets stuff about here, I can probably think about putting another contract in. So what I'm trying for it not to do is to hit my stop loss and losing money. So that's why it keeps stopping me out really early, because I'm doing such a tight stop loss. Because I don't trust the market today. That's why. A lot of times I'd leave my stop loss where I put it. I wait till it to get really high before I do my stop loss to break even. But today it's just unpredictable. I wanted to get above this crap that's here. I think it will, but I just don't want it to tank so much further. I don't want to lose too much, so there'll be 600-700 down if this goes. Stop loss. We need to see some rockets. That's what would be lovely to see, right? Are you in a trade right now, buddy? If I lose this trade, I'll be 1,000 down. Stretch my legs. I'll go for a walk. Come on. This bit will be an issue here. Yeah, we need a big push. Need a big rocket push, right? I need this to go higher. Come on, baby, let's push this up. Fucking hell. That's not what we want. I touched that by accident. Fuck. I didn't mean to touch that by accident. Ah. Ah. Hello? I guess it wasn't a bad thing touching it by accident, right?
Hello.
Hello?
Hi. Call from Ascot from Lawson's. I've got you delivery. 1 ballast for cement.
Alright.
On my ticket, it says 8 field top close.
No, it's not. It's I think it's 48. Just let me check.
48.
Just a second, buddy.
Alright.
I think it's 48 if I remember rightly. I'm not on site. Yeah, number 48.
Alright. Is anyone there? Do you want me to just drop it somewhere?
Just on the drive is fine somewhere, yeah. There's plenty of room on the drive.
Definitely 48.
48, yeah, there's a skip next door.
Okay. Alright, no worries.
Cheers, mate. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
Oh, it was good to close that one, wasn't it? Saved my bacon. I did it by accident. Sorry, you can't win money in this market. Today's ridiculous. I think I'm just going to get some small wins if I can here and there. Try and get this back and just wait for the big one. This is a joke. It's weird, it's always 1 o'clock and you get a lot of volatility at 1 o'clock. It's mad. Jeez. It's just fucking horrible. You get a beautiful gun like that and it just comes straight back down again. I'm not happy about this. Hmm. Not much to say today, is there? That's going to be a heavy stop loss, man. Fuck. Oh, mate. That'll take some serious coming back. I did it yesterday. Came down from 900 down, but I think I'll be 1100 down after this. Come on, push back up, would you? Push back up. Come on, all the way back into green. All the way back into green, baby. Come on. Come on, push. Push it back. Damn, man. That's a fucking horrible candle. I really want this to get to break even. I'd like to get out of this damn trade. Might take my losses on this. Shit. Fuck me. That hurt bad. Oh man, it's coming down, isn't it? God, I don't know what to do on this trade, man. I need to wait. I'm going to take a break, guys. I'm going to take a break. I need to wait. Wait till the market kind of gets better. Wait till the New York Open at 2:30.